If you've been managing properties for a while, you know the routine. Every month is exactly the same. Writing out invoices, double-checking the calendar, and waiting for those checks to arrive in the mail. And when they're late, you have to make that uncomfortable phone call. It takes up your precious time, and worse, it causes unnecessary stress. Welcome to Landager. We built our payment system with one simple goal: to do the accounting for you perfectly every single month, so you never have to chase rent again. Here is how it works. When you set up a tenant in Landager, you tell the system exactly two things: how much their rent is and what day it's due. That's it. Your work is done. Every month, Landager automatically generates clean, professional rent invoices for all your active tenants. Whether a lease starts on the 1st of the month, the 15th, or the very last day, our system calculates it perfectly and updates their account. No sticky notes, no spreadsheets. The system keeps a precise record that belongs only to you. We all know that occasionally a tenant might fall behind. But with Landager, you don't have to be the bad guy. Every single day, our system quietly checks the calendar. If a tenant misses their due date, Landager handles it automatically. It sends them a polite automated email reminder so you don't have to. And what about late fees? If you put a late fee in their lease agreement, our system automatically adds it to their total balance the moment they become late. It does the math perfectly, sending them updated receipts and reminders, completely hands-free. What happens if a tenant pays you a portion of their rent, but not the full amount? Landager tracks every single penny. If a tenant owes $1,000, but only pays $500, the system immediately tags their account as partial. It knows exactly how much they still owe, preventing any confusion or disputes down the line. If they had a maintenance charge, it keeps that separate too. Everything is transparent. You just look at your screen and you know exactly who is paid up, who owes a balance, and who is late. When tax season comes around, or when you need to talk to your accountant, Landager is your best friend. The hardest part of taxes is separating your income. With Landager, our reporting tools automatically untangle your money. With one click, your pure rental income is separated perfectly from late fees and maintenance charges. It is completely private, built with banking-level security, and guarantees your numbers are accurate to the cent. At Landager, we believe property management should be about enjoying the rewards of your investments, not stressing over bookkeeping. Our automatic payment system is reliable, simple to understand, and built specifically for landlords who want their time back. Let Landager do the math. You enjoy your life. Log in today and see the difference for yourself.